Hello guys, thanks for tuning into my video. In this one, I will give you a quick tutorial on how to buy Binance Smart Chain altcoins using the Trust Wallet and Pancakeswap. The coin I will be trading for as an example in this video is a recently launched NFT project called Refinable. Anyways, I'm not here to waste your time with crappy intros, so let's get right into it. Assuming you've already downloaded and set up a Trust Wallet, the first step is to get some Binance coins to it. You can find your address by pressing BNB and then receive. I personally bought my coins directly from Binance. Very important if you buy them off an exchange is that you send Binance coins to your BNB address and not immediately to the Smart Chain address. The way this works is that we'll receive some Binance coins and then manually convert them to Smart Chain ones. That being said, I'm not actually aware of any exchange which allows you to buy Smart Chain coins without buying BNB first. But as you can see, I've already transferred some BNB to my wallet, so I will just go ahead and convert them right away. To do this, you press your BNB coin, then hit more, and finally swap to Smart Chain. Make sure you convert a bit less than you actually have, so you can cover the swap fee. Once you have some Smart Chain coins in your wallet, it can be a good idea to add the coin you're trading for to your coin list. To do this, you tap the top right corner of your wallet and search for the coin you want to trade for. If you can't find it, you can set it up yourself by adding a custom token using the coin's contract address. This information can usually be found on BSC Scan or CoinGecko. I will leave the details for Refinable in the description. You set the slider of the coin to green and you should be able to find it in your wallet. Now it's time to actually trade for it, but before we do that, you will have to enable the browser tab. I believe Android phones have it enabled automatically, but iOS users will have to head over to Safari and type trust://browser_enable. I will leave a link in the description for that as well. Now that you can access your browser tab, you'll be able to see a ton of swapping and liquidity providing services. We'll head over to Pancakeswap and connect our wallet to it. We'll then locate the swap screen and choose to trade from BNB. You should now be able to see your Smart Chain balance on Pancakeswap. Next, I'll search up the coin I want to trade for. Once again, if I can't find it on the official list, I will type in the contract address in the search field. Now I can choose what I want to trade for, and Pancakeswap will give me the current exchange rate. I'll adjust my slippage to a comfortable level, and then once I'm happy, press swap. And that's it. It usually takes a minute or two for the swap to complete, but if I refresh my Trust Wallet a few times, you'll be able to see that I have successfully exchanged some Smart Chain coins for Refinable. It's not more complicated than that. Just a heads up is that these sites get constantly updated and the process for this could therefore be subject to change. So don't just take my word for this, do your own research and keep in mind that trading crypto is always a risk. Do test transfers before going in big and never go in with more than you can afford to lose. Anyways guys, that's it for this quick tutorial. Really hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or corrections, you are always welcome to leave me a comment. See you in the next video. Until then, have a good one.